Yat A bene. Robinson Tom Yenishle. Chishin Nishle Tachini Bashishi Koge Deshiche Twitchini Deshinele. Hello, everybody. My name is Robinson Tom, and I belong to Dene people, and that is Navajo. I am in David Weitz's lab, and I work on microfluidic projects. And the project that I'm working on is developing a new microfluidic technology. I am looking to improve the droplet sorting technology that we all use as scientists and engineers. This technology that I'm developing will allow me to enrich rare samples out of many populations of droplets. And this is extremely important for scientists and engineers who are interested in looking into rare proteins, rare cells, rare DNA, etc. And I hope that my technology will be helpful for low resource institutions so that they can do the same research that can be done in a microfluidic lab, such as in David Weitz's group. Growing up on the res, we have a lot of societal issues that prevent indigenous people to pursue STEM education. I saw a possibility to become a scientist or an engineer through my experience during deployment. When I was deployed in Afghanistan, I was given an additional role other than being an infantry soldier. I was given the role of being a linguist and an analyst for counterinsurgency. And so I got to work with these electronic warfare devices that allow me to listen to some radio communications and find possible threats. I realized that my interest in learning radio frequency interference got me into STEM. And because of that, I realized that, hey, I think I want to do something in engineering or something that's outside of the Army. And so that's what really encouraged me to pursue higher education. In 2015, when I was in undergrad, I learned of the Gold King mine spill that happened in Silverton, Colorado. And there had been mine tailings that contaminated the Anonymous River, which flows down to the Navajo Nation, and a lot of Navajo farmers were impacted from this toxic spill. And so I thought that bioremediation would be a nice application or a cleanup strategy that we could use to help remediate the toxins from these environments. Then at this NTU school, or this tribal college or tribal institution, I was able to get access to internships like RU researches at Northern Arizona University and also at Harvard later down my undergrad career. My exposure to the RU program kind of connected my interests with the environmental issues that's going on, and in my background in biology, and so that's why I joined David Weitz. This kind of leads up to my ultimate goal for my career is to open up a research hub or a research institution on the Navajo reservation so that Navajo people can do their own research and also represent indigenous scientists and engineers. We're also talking about what impacts does it have on our stakeholders who are our own family members. So we're talking about cultural aspects on that. Like, do we do research on indigenous plants and look into the scientific properties of using these medicinal plants? And what does it mean culturally? How do we approach this respectfully?